Welcome to Bennett's Bike Social. In this episode, we're going to look at how to get into motorcycling. The very fact that you're watching this video means you have an interest, and don't worry, it's dead easy. Basically, there's 4 things that you're going to need. A CBT, which is your license. You're going to need a motorcycle. You're going to need the right kit, and you're going to need some insurance. We're going to take you through those 4 stages, make it simple, make it easy. Welcome to motorcycling. First of all, let's look at budget. Let's take £2,000 as an example. So we're going to spend £300 to £500 on insurance. We're going to spend £300 to £500 on kit, which must include a crash helmet, about £150 for your CBT, and then you're going to need around £50 for some security, a good solid lock, which will leave you around £1,000 for the actual bike. Now we've got our budget, let's look at getting a CBT and getting that license. Let's have a look at a CBT, which everybody has to do before they ride a motorcycle. It's split into 3 areas. You've got the classroom, the off-road and the on-road. In the classroom, you'll go through the basics with your instructor. Road signs, how to start a bike, the road layout, simple classroom stuff. Once you've done that, you'll then go to off-road. Now don't worry, you're not going to go motocross riding. This means everything done in a controlled environment, usually in a car park at the test facility. This will be how to get on and off the bike, how to get it off the side stand, how to start it, how to stop it, and how to go through the gears. Once you've done that, you'll then move into the road side, where you'll follow the instructor or the instructor will follow you. You'll have radio communication and you'll learn the basics of how to ride a motorcycle on the road. Once you've got your CBT, well done, you've got your license. So let's look at kit. The only legal requirement you need is a crash helmet. How much you spend on a crash helmet and the style of crash helmet all depends on your budget and what you want from a motorcycle. But check out our resident expert, John Milbank, who'll give you some great advice on what and type of crash helmet to choose. Next, we're going to look at gloves. If you do fall off, one of the first things that's going to hit the ground is your hands, because you're going to put your hands out to protect yourself. So you're going to have to invest in some good quality gloves, and this means wearing gloves even in the middle of summer. Then we're going to have to look at jackets. For example, if you're doing lots of miles through winter, you need to keep warm. This is Compulsory with body armour and it's waterproof. It will keep you lovely and warm in winter, and it's got removable layers that will keep you cool in summer. However, you might want something a bit lighter, like a leather jacket, or just some body armour under a normal jacket. Then once we've done the top half, we need to look at the bottom half. These can be protective riding jeans, Compulsory pants, or leathers. It's entirely up to you. And don't forget your feet, which means race boots, ankle boots, or proper motorcycle trainers. These are just a bit more robust. The golden rule is not to have any exposed skin, even in the middle of summer. It might be tempting to ride in shorts, t-shirt and flip-flops in the middle of summer, but as soon as you hit the deck at 15, 20 miles an hour, you're going to lose skin immediately. So keep everything covered over. There's lots of fashionable lightweight kit that looks really good and will keep you cool and safe in summer. Now the fun part, choosing a motorcycle. Now what you shouldn't do is rush out and get the first motorcycle you see, then try and get that motorcycle to fit in with your way of life, because you'll soon find that it doesn't actually fit in your shed or down the side of your house. Write down what you want from a motorcycle. So do you want something comfortable? Is it good on fuel? Good for commuting? Do you want an adventure bike? Does it need to go off-road? Now you've got 2 alternatives really. One is to buy the motorcycle outright, or the second alternative is to buy a bike on PCP. When you buy a bike on PCP, you essentially put down a deposit and then you pay an amount every month, which is the same amount over 36, 37 months, depending on the deal. The advantage of buying a bike on PCP is the bike is brand new. So you don't have to worry about running costs, so to speak, and you don't have to worry about the bike possibly breaking down. There's your 2 alternatives. Good luck in the search, and remember, don't go for the first one you see. Whilst you're online looking at motorcycles, don't forget your insurance. Your insurance will change depending on the type of motorcycle and where you live. Basically, get online, use the Bennetts website, put in your postcode and the type of bike you want, and get some quotes, and it'll give you an idea on budget. Don't forget, security, limited mileage are all key ways of reducing your insurance quotes. The last thing we're going to look at is security. Now there's two traits of thought here. You've got electronic security, which is an alarm or an immobilizer, which is great because you can use that at home and you can use it when you go to your destination. Alternatively, a cheaper alternative is a big hefty lock. If you're using a big hefty lock, lock the back wheel to the swinging arm, or if you can, get the back wheel locked to something solid like a lamppost or a gate post. The problem with a big hefty lock is you don't want to carry it around when you get to your destination. So you may need a smaller lock like a disc lock that goes on the brake disc for when you eventually get there. Good security can go a long way in reducing your final insurance. So it is worth investing in good security. Hopefully you've enjoyed our informative video and you're going to take that step into motorcycling. If you've got any questions, we'll give you answers below. Don't forget, when you get your insurance with Bennetts, you become a rewards customer, which will give you discount off kit, will give you discount off advanced riding and ride-outs. The Honda School of Motorcycling will give you tuition and also advanced riding lessons. Make that step, make that leap. You'll love motorcycling. It'll change your life. Our resident expert, John Milbank, has looked at budget crash helmets versus top-of-the-range crash helmets many times before. And he's really good at that. And your experience and license. Get a few quotes. Insurance will fluctuate. What? What have I done now? Welcome to Bennett's Bike Social. We're going to introduce you... Whoa.
Join up to...
How'd you write boobless on a calculator again?
Squeaky door. I went as slow as I could. I know. It's like